Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Donna. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Make the wishy, baby. Make the wish, girlie.
What was your wish?
Alright, so I'm ending this video right here. Thanks for watching. We're on our way home. Right now I'm at a Buc-ee's, which is a gas station that has, how many pumps?
238.
I've never seen a gas station with 238 pumps. Big gas station. Can't give me 238 pumps.
Will you get the new clocks that I did? I wish color that I did not party. Dogs are the realest dogs and my heart clean. Feel me love.
We are them see the sky like clean. Them a pray for we fall like rain.
Yo!
Cause if I was a MILF,
Nigga, shut up. Shut up. Stop. Stop.
you gone too far now, dog.
Way too far. Alright.
Jay is like, what?
Ooh, that feels good. I ain't gonna lie, I might not even need a jacket.
Really?
Yeah, bro, it actually feels good out here. Oh, nah, brother. You're kind.
Nah, I ain't getting that carried away. Tomorrow be all kinds of You got the key, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm ending this video right here. Thanks for watching. We're on our way home. Right now I'm at a Buc-ee's, which is a gas station that has, how many pumps?
238.
I've never seen a gas station with 238 pumps. Big gas station. Can't give me 238 pumps.
What?
But watch out.
Turn left.
Who you giving 238 pumps?
Nobody, bro, but that's besides the point.
No, that is the point.
Tyler!
You ain't hitting no 238
Turn right.
pumps, nigga. You ain't built like that.
I might have to be built.
To Johnson Lake Road.
Blah, blah, blah! That's 4, 5, 6.
I know that been a good dude, like. Yeah, baby.
That should be the standard.
What?
I said that should be the standard.
238?
238 pumps.
Okay. Have a problem, bro.
See that? Shada said she want 238 pumps straight. No brakes.
Lowered Chevy.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Johnson Lake Road Southeast. Then take the first left onto Union Grove Road Southeast.
The Mexicans are out.
Turbo F-150. Aura. That Chevy's kind of tough.
I forgot about that dude.
These all brethrens.
Oh, the cam.
You gonna cut these people line. You could tell they're all together, man.
Yeah.
What is that?
Damn. A Remington.
White people they be so angry.
They just
I
be
was
mad
trying
and
to
jealous. Yeah.
I saw one of them. She's standing right next door to the Spanish people house. White woman talking about this is a car that a hardworking mom of 3 drives, and points to her little beat up fucking car, and then she looks over at the Spanish people house that's next door to her, and they have a truck. It's like a new truck.
Yeah.
What did they do to be able to afford that? That's like a $40,000 truck.
Hard work.
I was like, this bitch said they come to this country illegally, they collect all the benefits, and they buy themselves nice things, while we who were born and raised here Had to slave away. I'm like,
The nerve.
your ancestors slaved people here. You shouldn't even be using the fucking word slave.
That shit should be banned for
Slave away.
vocabulary.
At the light, use the left 2
that
lanes
light
to
on?
turn
We'll
onto
turn it off.
Union Grove Road Southeast.
Good night.
See ya again.
Peace. I have my gun.
What the fuck? Yo.
Oh, it's not.
No.
You can't get it to stand up.
Cannot get this shit to snap. You know what? Hold on. All I gotta do is some sorcery ready.
Hey, that's what she's gonna say one day.
Disappear.
They charge $8 for these sandwiches.
Alright, just don't rock the car.
$8 for
Alright.
these sandwiches.
Dad, what'd you get?
I got a fried chicken sandwich.
Jay, what'd you get?
I got a fried chicken sandwich too.
They tried the fried chicken sandwich too.
I got a North Carolina pulled pork sandwich.
Who went for the first bite already?
Okay, this shit might break my teeth. It's super crispy. Yeah.
Ooh. Sounds
Hard.
good.
Okay, I'm going in.
Might not be a good thing.
You like it?
Ooh.
Actually. Holy, they packed this one.
What you got, Funky?
Pulled pork.
Again?
Yeah, I love pulled pork.
Hold on.
He was acting like he didn't do a video on this before.
Well, cause y'all.
Wait, this sandwich is good.
You think so?
Definitely.
That's alright.
Uh-huh.
It
I could
exceeded,
tell it's a piece of chicken though.
yeah, it exceeded my expectations for a Buc-ee's fried chicken sandwich.
For a gas station fried chicken sandwich.
Yeah, I was expecting to eat some
Beaver meat.
yeah, something that didn't taste like chicken.
Some disguised beaver meat.
Well, it tastes very chickeny.
It does. And I like the sauce they used on it. There's cheese, but there's something else, and I don't know what it is. And the chicken's crispy too, soft on the inside.
Interesting.
Damn. I did good.
So we've been driving from Michigan into Florida.
Yep. We got out of our 1,300 mile journey back, we got 575 miles left, 8 hours. So
We got 8 hours of driving left.
8 hours of driving, yep.
Good God.
I just busted down 3 hours.
When will it end?
At about 6 o'clock.
And at about 6:52.
We gotta go.
Yeah, I'm probably sleep while you drive.
Bro, the sandwich is fine.
The sauce in there is good.
Yes, bro.
I just got some sauce.
No, mine was covered in sauce.
I'm halfway through it and I just got to the sauce.
Look at mine.
Yeah, mine doesn't like that. And your sandwich look way bigger than mine. Hey boy. I'll have to fire Habib up.
Yeah. Poor fella would have had to get it.
He got on sandals. He wasn't coming to do nothing. They do blow people up in sandals.
Remember to cut that out.
Cut.
Thanks and praises to Jaja.
Blaze up the fire, blaze up the fire.
Oh, holy Emmanuel, no segregation at all.
Blaze up the fire.
Watch Babylon system fall. And I said be careful of the message that you send when you sing. Burn out all bad vibes and negative feelings. And I don't care what color of the skin that you're in. No love for one another, then a sin that you're in. Jaja now open the gates and Jah now let you in. Watch love conquer hate, that means say love shall win. Strictly love we a deal with on this roots rock rhythm. And I tell a cooking at the roots rock kitchen. Watch how me sit down on the rhythm like a tire on a rim. Blessings overflow, that mean it full to the brim. And no bird in the sky can fly with one wing. Like every queen on earth, she deserve one king. Hey, Babylon make me tell her something. I love we a deal with and a joy we a bring. Hey, Babylon make me tell her something. I love we a deal with and a joy we a bring.
Blaze up the fire.
Thanks and praises to Jaja.
More fire, more fire.
Oh, holy Emmanuel, no segregation at all. Watch Babylon system, watch it. No money to feed the poor, but they have bombs and guns. Same gun them use and lick the little old woman down. Rape all the mother, kill the father and sons. Not one word the truth off of them lying tongue. Stand up on the battlefield, a warrior no lying down. May the wicked them know say that them time soon come. And Babylon catch a fire, them time soon done. My granny still a talk about Jesus Christ soon reach. Slave master doctrine in the church, them a preach. The battle will be hot, but the victory I go see it. Man as a warrior, so we don't have to cheat. Everything seal up and everything concrete. Everything concrete. Everything seal up and everything concrete. Everything concrete.
More fire.
Thanks and praises to Jaja.
Blaze up the fire, blaze up the fire.
Oh, holy Emmanuel, no segregation at all. Watch Babylon system. Be careful of the message that you send when you sing. Burn out all bad vibes and negative feelings. And I don't care what color of the skin that you're in. No love for one another, then a sin that you're in. Jaja now open the gates and Jah now let you in. Watch love conquer hate, that means say love shall win. Strictly love we a deal with on this roots rock rhythm. And I tell a cooking at the roots rock kitchen. Watch how me sit down on the rhythm like a tire on a rim. Blessings overflow, that mean it full to the brim. And no bird in the sky can fly with one wing. Like every queen on earth, she deserve one king. Hey, Babylon make me tell her something. I love we a deal with and a joy we a bring. Hey, Babylon make me tell her something. I love we a deal with and a joy we a bring. Thanks and praises to Jaja.
Blaze up the fire.
Oh, Jah. Holy Emmanuel, oh,
More fire, more fire.
no segregation at all. Oh, Jah.
I always told myself that. Look, I always told myself that how old money that I would spend it like on that type of stuff.
Yeah.
I got so much money and I looked at that type of stuff. I was like, I'm not buying that.
Look, I found this squishy dumpling.
Fishy dumpling.
We opened it and it's like that.
Where's the word? Just the only one.
That's the only one. So it's like $50.
Bro, I seen that there was glitter ones that people get and they're like so excited about it.
I know. I wasn't hoping for a glitter one, honestly. honestly, but I was just hoping to
That's
get
what you choose.
Bro, I seen a video where this girl bought her daughter and her friend both dumplings.
Where'd y'all get this from?
Really? That the daughter did it, and she goes, well, you know the
nice
deal.
cakes.
You have to give it to her because I bought them.
Excuse me.
I was like,
No. I honestly
like,
regret it.
that's the cool.
He ran from school. Yeah, he's probably hungry.
Oh my god.
That's what he buys.
Oh no.
No, for
This was $24.
the rule is, I call my father.
Mom was there.
Alright.
He approved of it.
Okay, now you're away.
That's not a lie, homie.
Yeah, I was about to say.
How, what?
That's not a lie.
He signed up with his account at my birthday.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Gloss and a free spray.
To show Daddy your.
Mommy, you gave me actual real makeup.
Your.
Well, you got ibuprofen.
Hold on.
What's hurting, Josh?
My throat. Man.
Aw, that's your teddy bear.
We went to
Yeah,
Build the Bear.
Build the bears.
Oh.
It smells like chocolate.
His boyfriend took him out to prom.
Oh my god.
Let me smell it.
Huh?
Who?
Why did you say that?
I don't know. It just
Why
What did I miss?
because of what he said.
Wait.
Look,
I don't know.
Daddy.
It's-
And look, I got some guys. It sounds like a bear.
Never.
There's something special about that bear.
What's that?
Like, where did that
Wait,
even
let Daddy hear it. Listen, guys. Shh. There's something special about this bear.
What?
What? It has Dad's voice in
No.
it.
No, it
Alright.
has. Sounds like far. I thought it was me.
I thought that was you too.
How was that actually?
That sounds like me though.
Really?
All of you sound alike, so yeah, there we go.
That actually does sound like that. It sounds like a WhatsApp
sounds like
voice
you.
message from Dad.
Right.
It does not sound like
Nick Jr.?
White and bleeding.
She thought it sounded like you.
you. Really?
Yeah. And then the car close, he called and I thought
That you?
that was you on the phone. So I guess we really do want to sound like that.
Nigga, I'm sorry. I'm not staying for you to open all these gifts.
I gotta take part.
This is a bit much. Alright.
It's up. I got a new cousin.
Back till later.
Yeah, I'm not trying to go back early.
I thought you were trying to go back early.
Y'all got time. Okay. So basically, I got this face cleanser with vitamins.
No, you might have to Uber that.
I also got it.
Not related game. Like, we're not sending you back in the taxi game.
Did you tell Jaden what the dude was playing in the car?
Yes, I heard. He sent the video to the group.
Ninja was playing Jacks, bro.
That's what that.
Bro, it's all fun and games until you get that skinny guy
Overwhelmed.
playing.
Overwhelming. Show Daddy this. This is important.
Alright, you hop in the Uber. He's like, this
Look,
is
I got this for my gifted bus pass, so I stopped losing it, and it's Minnie
our
Mouse.
home now. Locks everything.
You stop losing it.
Yeah. It's just a car right now. But I also got this face powder, and I know how you feel about skincare, so Mommy found me a brand. Well, actually, I found a brand, and it's specially made for kids.
Can somebody take this cake and put it in the
So
I can.
yesterday,
I can.
yesterday, Forrest said he's trying to get back early because he got to go study. So I thought, I woke up this morning and I was like, let me clean the pool, cut her cake, get him there, get back here.
Guys, look,
I got to
Daddy
prepare
got
for my
me-
taxes tomorrow, so yeah.
Daddy got me a bunny that actually smells like chocolate.
Oh, the Texas is.
Actually smells like chocolate.
Huh?
Let me see.
You did? Yeah, I got to prepare for my taxes.
Actually, chocolate.
Yeah, you told me last night.
Yeah. Oh, did I tell you what happened at the Waffle House?
You told me?
Bro. Yes, bro.
What?
So, is the camera on for this?
You want it off?
Yeah, no, it needs to be on.
Oh, okay.
Bro. So
you want it off.
basically, so you know how like after prom, you know, some people go to like after parties and go do their own thing. So I went to Waffle House and I'm sitting in the Waffle House, and that's when everyone from like the after party and stuff shows up to the Waffle House, and they're all like visibly drunk and driving. So this guy backs in his big truck, and he's sitting at the Waffle House as all the alcohol is still setting in. So he's getting more and more drunk as he's sitting there. He gets in his truck, and instead of driving out straight to like turn out the parking lot, he immediately turned and drove right over somebody's car. And it's a big truck with like the big wheels. He drove from the driver's side to the passenger side of the hood, right over the car, because he thought it was a curb. That's how drunk he was.
I'm glad my kids don't drink. I'm glad my kids know what not.
Nah, bro. I'm an
But
athlete.
you know them stories after prom you hear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so glad my babies don't do that.
I'm an athlete. None of that stuff goes in my life. I'm an athlete. We got too many goals, bro. I'm scared one day is gonna make me unable.
I got mint chocolate.
All it takes is one. Exactly.
So, Daddy, this is important. Wait! You don't have time for it.
I got 2 nails.
And we know when to get up out of there.
I got Barbie socks.
Don't stick it around after things like that, bro.
And I got more nails.
Are you seriously gonna? No, I'm not going through all your bags. I'm not going through all your bags. Happy birthday. Oh, come on, let's do the singing and cutting of the cake. That's what I came for. You can take your time and open your gift on your own, Nika. You got a video camera? Are you gonna be vlogging or you been had that?
It ain't mine.
I'm talking to her.
It ain't hers either.
Whose camera is that?
Kelsey brought it home.
Where'd I come from?
Mine, I got it for Walmart for like $20, bro.
Yeah, why'd you?
Because like 2,000.
Why'd you waste your money out here?
Melania has
Bro, no. I don't think you understand that. It has like the film of like the 2000s, like the early 2000s.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
The film quality actually sucks.
I know what he's doing.
But it was talking about some 4K 16 times zoom.
Guys,
It literally zooms in this much.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
That thank you. I'm either gonna get a really good.
Wait, you can't say your wish. Wait.
You can't.
Somebody else hung herself.
Daddy, shut up.
You're about to mess up her wish, Dad.
There's a cake.
Wait, you know what's crazy? Every wish that I've made on my birthdays have came true. Really? I'm not even trolling.
Can I take the
They
first
all
piece?
came true.
Not for me, bro.
Oh my god.
Well, because
I wanted to go to space when I was younger.
Yeah,
That shit didn't work.
Say, you probably made like crazy wishes.
That
My
shit
wishes
didn't
were,
work
like,
out.
They were like playing like, yeah, like when I was like younger, I was like, I wish that I was with my mom.
I got it.
Literally,
This is
I
my
was like, I hope that I wish my dad gets me like a nice my prom. Nice. I was like, I hope I get an offer.
Ooh, I want to show
All the
Daddy
wishes
your
happened.
birthday.
Offer was God.
Merge.
Maybe she can't.
What kind of cake is it,
Mom?
Mom?
Believe in her. You got it. Yeah. Put it right on the napkin you're supposed to use to wipe the cake off. Dab me up, dab me up, dab me up, dab me up.
Yes, you don't get all that. I'm taking it. I don't care what y'all say. Who wants
It's not supposed to be in the neighborhood.
What type of
Take the neighborhood.
You just do that.
You said we could have them.
Wait, what type of cake is it?
Oreo, chocolate Oreo.
Is it regular cake or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Oh
It's really.
Boy, you eat cake.
Nah. The icing
What
like
is
actually
that?
like does
You gonna share up the cake so we can eat?
bad. I can't.
yeah. Just a piece.
What is that?
I mean,
Because cotton on the shoulder.
Buttercream icing. It's not
Okay,
that ugly icing.
can somebody keep cutting then, please? Get the chocolate on the top then, JJ.
What else?
Look, your thing is saying 21.
I know, right?
Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah, Daddy.
not yet, bro. None of us are ready.
Who wants the next?
That's the card that I had gotten for you.
You have napkins.
Oh wow.
You can help me.
No, that's what I'm
Yeah, that's too many seconds.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Can't even count
Too
that.
many days.
Dang.
Get another plate.
Nick was born 4,300 days ago.
Let's see what happened when she was born.
Hello, Oliver.
Hi, Oliver.
Did Dad just say hi?
He's in a good mood.
No, he's trying to get to the room. Puppy. What?
Oh wow.
Puppy.
It's a puppy.
How many slices am I supposed to put?
NBA championships.
Good question.
It's Super Bowl champ, Seattle Seahawks.
Does everybody want one?
Obama became president when you were born and he was in the second term and Nick was.
Oh, that's Oro.
What if I had
Well,
Damn, imagine them prices back then.
yeah, well,
New car, 24,000. That's like fully loaded now. Nah, you gotta put 24,000 down.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test now. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.